Hi everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a book using Chatgpt. By the end of this tutorial, you will have all the tools and knowledge you need to write your own very book, no matter what genre or audience you have in mind. So stay tuned. A book is a general term that refers to any written or printed work that is bound together. Whether it's fiction or non-fiction, long or short. It can also refer to a collection of shorter works, such as a collection of essays, poems, or short stories. Let's say you want to write a collection of poems. Here is an example of how to use ChatGPT to help you write a poem. First, decide on a topic or a theme for your poem. This could be anything from love and nature to grief and loss. Let's say you are writing a poem about love. Give ChatGPT a prompt based on your chosen topic. For example, ChatGPT a prompt like write a poem about the joy of falling in love. ChatGPT will then generate text based on your prompt, which you can use as an inspiration for your poem. For example, ChatGPT might generate text like falling in love is like soaring through clouds, weightless and free. Every moment is filled with wonder and joy, as if the world is a brand new place. Use the generated text as a starting point for your poem, incorporating some of the ideas and language into your own writing. For example, you might start your poem like this. Falling in love is like soaring through the clouds, weightless and free. Every moment filled with wonder, as if the world's a new place to see. Once you've written your first draft, edit and refine your poem. Pay attention to the rhythm, meters, and language and make changes as needed to improve the flow and impact of your writing. By using ChatGPT to generate a prompt and some initial text, you can get inspiration for your poem and overcome writer's block. However, it's important to remember that the poems should ultimately reflect your own unique voice and perspective, and that ChatGPT should be used as a tool to help you in the writing process rather than a replacement for your own creativity. That's it. And thank you guys for following and see you in the next videos.